All right, we're going to replace the mass airflow sensor, MAF, on this 2004 1.9 TDI Jetta. It's actually even faster than cleaning your mass airflow sensor. So here's your air box, just right here. Here's the new one. Just goes really quick. Pop this clip, pull it backwards so you can just pop this off. And then you got 2 Phillips, one on this side and then one on the far side. You can see it right there. So go ahead, pop that off, take those off, and then it should be free to take off. Then we'll just undo this clip. So I set the hose aside, got the 2 Phillips out. Probably took me around a minute. Now just get a flathead, pop it in here, and you can pop this clip off. Get 2 hands real quick. I undid my clip, popped the old one off, pop the new one on. Now it's just the reverse process. Stick it back in, the Phillips screws back in, pop this back on, and you're done. Good luck, guys.